finally made it to Edinburgh. That train was proper cramped, and also I never get travel sick, but for some reason, oh my god, horrific. We've just got to the room. I'm going to give you the tour. Jack's already watching the football. It's a fairly small room, but it's cozy vibes, and I love the bed as well, and you can see the tartan along the back. There's a desk space which I will be using for work, not that I'm meant to be working. Big telly, and then I'll go in and show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom tour. I'm sorry if it's a bit echoey, but yeah, big shower, obviously a sink, toilet, everything that you would expect in a bathroom, but they've got like cute little toiletries. It's so nice. The lighting in here is probably terrible, but we're going into Edinburgh now and explore the city centre. It's 4:30 now. I can't believe how dark it is. Literally every British person says that in the winter, but we're walking the streets of Edinburgh and I feel like I've just walked into a Harry Potter set. Like, it's just unreal. We're walking up a hill, just per usual. I can't breathe. Love that for me. But yeah, we went to some little Christmas festival market and had some food, and now we're going to see the castle. But I forgot to say, Blossoms is tonight, so we're going to get ready and watch them, and then tomorrow we're going to do a hop on hop off bus tour. So change of plan because I didn't realise what time it was, and I take about 2 years to get ready. So I'm going back to the room now, and then we're going to see Blossom, so I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Have every great night and doesn't matter. Good morning. It's day 2, and thankfully I don't feel that hungover, although last night it was brilliant. And we were drinking these drinks called Venom, and they were like neon yellow, and I was like, that looks like I'm gonna be dead in the morning. But surprisingly, we're alright, aren't we? Ish. He's a little bit more weird to wear than I am. But look how pretty this is. We're in, I think it's called Princess Park, I'm not sure. And yeah, we're going for a little wander, going to get some breakfast, even though it's like 11:30. Literally as soon as I put the GoPro on, the rain comes out of nowhere. So we've come back to the room to get a waterproof cover for my camera bag, and then we're going to attempt to do the hop on hop off bus tour. So we've just bought tickets to the hop on and hop off bus and Edinburgh Castle tickets tomorrow. That was like £76 for me and Jack. But there's something to do, isn't it? So we might leave the zoo, because the zoo's going to cost all in all about £75 as well. And because our castle appointment is like 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning, we won't be able to get to the zoo in time. But yeah, we're just going to find the bus now. Can I get the vlog? Just been filming, and like I hate filming in public obviously. And these two girls walked past and went, oh, should we get in the vlog? So if I check the footage, you might be in it. Oh.
Hiya.
Hello.
Thank you. Okay,
we're on the bus. Got a pair of headphones, but because it's been raining, the seats have got like puddles of water on them, so now my bum's wet. But it's fine because, you know what, I'm on my holiday, so I just don't care. I think this is going to go in like 3 minutes. Whoa!
Do you? My holiday, I'll do what I want.
Also, you just don't even sit next to me. Oh, is that where you put the headphones?
Yeah, plug them in. So it's got some absolute bangers on.
problem, it's now starting to rain again, so we can either sit at the front where it's busy, or we can just put our hoods up. But it's like spitting, it's spitting everybody in. It's that fine rain sucks you through. So we finally made it to Edinburgh Castle. Oh my god, absolutely stunning, and that view as well. Obsessed. But we're actually coming back tomorrow morning at 10 to go inside. So we'll do that because we've been walking around for hours while I was filming the POV video. So we're going to go back to the hotel now, get changed, go for food, and then yeah, probably go for a drink or something. But it's just so pretty, I'm just obsessed. Like, it's just gorgeous, like, look. Oh my god, I'll show you the view over the edge.